Back into another YouTube video, and today what we're going to be doing is installing this pulley on this 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a very easy install. There is a 15 nut behind there, so you're just going to get a 15 right here, and you're going to break the nut loose. And I already broke mine loose, so now you're just going to fully take that nut out inside there. Once you get that nut off, you can just pull it. Okay, now we're just gonna grab our new pulley right here, and we're gonna line this pin up with that pin right there. So let's put this nut right behind here. Just gonna keep it right there, and you're gonna slowly just kind of tighten it on there. Just keep tightening it. So this, you're just holding it there, thumb, you're just twisting it, and like I said, you gotta line it up so it just kind of fall in there, just like that, and tighten it all the way up, or down. And grab your wrench, and then you're just going to tighten this down. Very easy install. Just make sure it's nice and snug, because you do not want this falling out. So you have it nice and snug. That's how you guys install this pulley on this Ram 1500 with the 5.2 V8.